Now that we know what is a naive-Bayes classifier, let us perform sentiment analysis using the multinomial naive-Bayes. Remember, a multinomial distribution models the probability of counts or the frequency. When the features follow a multinomial distribution, we make use of the multinomial naive-Bayes. It's commonly used in text classification. You are expected to know what is a term document matrix. The features in text classification are the words, and the value of each feature is the frequency with which a word occurs, also called as the term frequency. We take a simple example to explain the working of the multinomial naive-Bayes. Consider a sentiment analysis on product. So we have people giving reviews for products. Either they say that it is good or it is bad, and that number of times the reviews were good or bad are given in the slide. This sentiment analysis is a classification problem. The data set is composed of 5 reviews in the training set along with its associated sentiment. So it's a labeled data set. We are to find what will be the final sentiment when the test set has the review, the rooms were good and the staff were nice. Generally, classification can be said as, given the features x1, x2, etc. up to xn, predict the class y. For the problem of sentiment analysis, we have to predict if the sentiment was positive or negative. What are the features? The features can either be every single word which is given in the training data set, but we know that they are not going to be helpful to predict the review as positive or negative. We take the adjectives which clearly specify whether the sentiment expressed is positive or negative. First, let us form the term document matrix. The terms are given in the rows. The terms are the features. The documents or the reviews are given in the columns. The term document matrix is populated with values in such a way that the frequency of occurrence of a term in a document is written. Good occurs twice in D1 and like occurs once in D1, bad occurs once in D2 and so on. What are the number of features in positive class? It is 7 because we have 3 good, 2 liked, 1 nice and 1 pleasant. Similarly, the number of features in the negative class is 5 because we have 1 in good, 2 bad, 1 pleasant and 1 rude. We need to find the probability of getting class C. The probability of a class given features is probability of the features given a class into probability of the class divided by probability of the features as given by the Bayes theorem given in the first video. This is proportional to the probability of the numerator because we are going to use the probability only for the comparison purpose and the denominators are all going to be the same. So we ignore the denominator and we find only the probability of the features given the class into probability of the class is equal to C. The probability of getting the positive sentiment is probability of y is equal to positive given x is equal to the features good, liked, etc. up to rude. This is proportional to probability of getting x is equal to good, liked, etc. up to rude given y into probability of y is equal to positive. Similarly, we get the probability of getting sentiment negative. Probability of y is equal to positive is calculated by, we take the number of samples of class positive, which is 3, and the total number of samples that we have in the training data set is 5. So probability of y is equal to positive is 3 by 5. Probability of y is equal to negative will be 1 minus 3 by 5, which is 2 by 5. We make use of the naive-Bayes model. So we have assumed the independence of the features. So the probability of the features given y is equal to pi over I from 1 to n probability of a feature xi given y. So the probability of good etc. up to root given y is equal to positive is equal to probability of good given positive, so on up to the probability of root given positive. Similarly, we calculate when y is equal to negative. To find the probability of a feature given the class, that is probability of good given positive, etc., is the frequency with which the feature xi occurs in the class C divided by the total number of features in class C. Applying the formula in our example, the probability of getting good given positive is the number of times the feature occurs in the positive class is 3. We have 3 in the numerator, and the total number of features in the positive class is 7, and that is given in the denominator. Similarly, if you look for unpleasant given negative, the number of times unpleasant occurs in a negative class is 1, and the total number of features in the negative class is 5. So it is 1 divided by 5. I want you to make a pause of the video and see if you can fill bad given negative and pleasant given positive. Bad given negative is 2 by 5 and pleasant given positive is 1 by 7. Remember, we are trying to make a lot of multiplications. Probability of good given positive into probability of bad given positive into probability of root given positive, and so on. Even if one term becomes 0, the entire multiplication becomes 0. This is not acceptable. So we perform a smoothing called as the Laplace smoothing. We change the probability of finding a feature given a class as number of times the feature occurs in C plus 1 divided by the total number of features in class C plus the number of features. This is also called as the add one smoothing. Applying Laplace smoothing, we find that the total number of features that we have is 7. So for all the denominators we have added 7, and to the numerators we have added a 1. And now we do not get any term which becomes 0. With this we have found the training model or the classifier. With the help of the training model, let us classify the rooms were good and the staff were nice as either positive or negative. Probability of positive given good comma nice is equal to probability of good comma nice given positive into probability of positive, which can be written as probability of good given positive into probability of nice given positive because of the naive Bayes assumption, which is 4 by 14 into 2 by 14 into 3 by 5, which is equal to 0.2449. Similarly, find probability of negative given good and nice. It's probability of good comma nice given negative into probability of negative, which is probability of good given negative into probability of nice given negative into probability of negative, which is 2 by 12 into 1 by 12 into 2 by 5, which is equal to 0.0055. Now 0.2449 is greater than 0.0055. So the final prediction is that the sentiment is positive. With this, we conclude how to perform classification using the multinomial naive Bayes.